What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Those who are new here on this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Those who don't know me, I am Raymond. I'm a well-certified digital marketing expert. Here on this channel, I share about the insights of digital marketing and knowledge, how you can use digital tools and be more creative in our daily lives. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a professional email signature as you can see it in my email. When you send an email signature, it is looking more professional. All right. This video, we are going to use a tool called Canva and it's totally free. All right, let's go dive into it. Even if you are a beginner, and go ahead and come up with a design. You have Canva on your desktop, just go ahead, write in Canva and type email signature. It's right here. Go ahead and click on it. There are thousands of email signatures, as you can see. But let us look. Going to use which one? Go ahead and look which one will you be able to use. One is look good for you. All these templates, most of them are free. You just go ahead and customize them and brand them to your brand. In this video of today, we are going to use this one. Yeah, just click on it, customize this template. First of all, let us first change this picture in my own. This one. See how does it look? And I'm sorry, guys, I'm not a professional graphic designer, but okay, I can go around and deal with it. Let me put my name, Raymond. Did this one. Okay, guys, let me fill up this information behind the camera so that I don't make this video too long and boring. And I come back to you right away. All right, guys, as you can see, I have managed to put in my information, phone number, email, address, and my location. If you have a website, you can go ahead and put in your URL here of your website. My name, no, I've used Raymond, digital marketer. Okay, now it's time to put in our brand colors. It's very important in every design you create to use the colors of your brand. This one, let me use this one, the color of my brand. You can go ahead and even put it and insert in your logo. Let me show you. Let me put my logo. Insert it right. Stay here. But in this video, I'm not going to put it in my logo. I don't think it's looking good. I don't want it to be so congested. I think this one is enough. Yeah, I think this one is okay. I'm not a graphic designer, but at least I can come up with something for free. You don't have money to pay for a graphic designer, you can go ahead and run and use these templates and customize them to your brand. Go ahead. Yeah, share, download, download. All right, guys. Now that we have finished to create our email signature, now it's time to connect it in our Gmail account, as I'm going to show you right away. All right. Come to your email inbox and press here on settings and press here see all settings. Scroll down looking for emails. Yeah. All right, you go ahead here on email signature. See, as you see, it's saying no signatures. Press here on create new. Let us name it. You have to give it a, let me say, version 1. Let's go ahead and press create. Press here to bring this box. You press here insert image. Yeah. You can drag and drop your email, your photo or email signature want to use. Let's go ahead and look for the one we designed. Yeah. Drag and drop right here. Okay. Press only images that are accessed can now. Right. Now it come. Go ahead. You have signature defaults. You have to pick the one you have designed. Version 1 here on reply or forward use. So go ahead and pick the one you have designed, version 1, and scroll down and save changes. We'll go ahead and save your changes. Let us press here on compose. And here it is. We have our email signature right away. Now when I go and me type in my other email address. Right. Happy birthday. Okay, then compose. Hey, you. Send it. Sent. Then it will come to my email box. Okay, here it is. As you can see it, it's right here with an email signature. See how it's looking professional. At least has your phone number, email, and location, and your job title and your name plus your photo. This one here, it's looking more professional, mostly freelancer. You're using email marketing to target your audience. Yes, guys. So that's how you can come up with a professional email signature and even connect it right away to your email account. If you are a freelancer and you are using email marketing to reach out to your customers or clients, I think this email signature makes you to look more professional and clean and more creative, of course. So if you have enjoyed this video and made it this far, please go ahead and subscribe and give it a big thumbs up so that it can be more viewed by more people. Right. See you in the next one.